Please try this easy and delicious Vada recipe, prepared in air fryer and also deep fried and served with delicious samhar. Please watch this till end. Take 500 grams Vada mix, easily available in supermarket or Amazon. Add 500 milliliters water. Mix well. Add chopped onions, chopped green chilies, coriander leaves. Mix all well. Cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Mix well. In preheated air fryer, apply olive oil. First apply water in palm. Make vada like this. Set for 15 to 18 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, apply olive oil. Again after 5 minutes, flip and apply olive oil. Once becomes golden brown, ready to serve. Let's try deep frying. Place in preheated oil. Cook for medium to low flame until golden brown. Serve with sambar or chutney. Isn't this easy and delicious Vada recipe? Which one do you prefer? Air fryer or deep fryer? Please comment. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.